Hi and welcome to Madlan. You're about to watch a video created for students by students. Today we'll be talking about now to start off with building a home screen. Go ahead and click on the home screen tab. Once you click on the home tab, you will notice there is already a default button named About, and mobile apps should always have a screen that describes them. Next, on your right, you'll see that the name of the home screen has not been changed. So in this case, please don't change it in any way. Now go ahead and click the About button, which will now reveal an editor to the right. Bear in mind that each button will have its own editor. With this editor, you can be able to change multiple things, including background color, height, text, and text color. Once you click on the button icon, you'll be given choices for icons to add to your button. Now go ahead and add a new button. To do so, just click on the Add button. Once you click on the button, you will see its editor, which will be reflected in the gray box. Now go ahead and add as many buttons as you want on your home screen, and don't forget to update your screen by saving your work.